Welcome to the video, guys. Today we're going to talk about 4 other ways to dropship, not counting Shopify, that you might not be aware of. Alright guys, welcome to the video. So we're going to talk about 4 different ways that you can dropship other than Shopify today that you might not be aware of. And before we actually get into those methods, I want to talk about what actually is dropshipping. Because a lot of people, when they think dropshipping, it just goes synonymous nowadays with Shopify dropshipping. And they think, oh, you're dropshipping, you obviously must be running a Shopify store. Now, a lot of people understand that there are other ways to dropship, and this might be basic, but I just want to touch on the fact that what is dropshipping, really fast here, so that other people understand that there are a million ways to dropship. I'm just going to give you 4 other ones besides Shopify. Now, don't get me wrong, Shopify is still very much alive. If you know what you're doing, if you know how to target, and you know you're running back-end pixels and kind of advertising, to retargeting lists all over the internet, you can still make a pretty penny. Obviously, you're building a lot on the back end, but that's a little bit beyond the scope of this video. I've talked about it a lot in past. Check my dropshipping playlist. I'll drop it in the description below. Also drop it as a card right here, right now, up in the right-hand corner. So what is dropshipping? Well, dropshipping, put simply, is just you. This is you. This is the customer, and this is, I don't know why I have this one right here. This is the manufacturer. So manufacturer, customer, you. All you're doing when you're dropshipping is you're taking the legwork out of it, essentially. So all you're doing when you're dropshipping is you're connecting the customer to the manufacturer by facilitating a sale. So you don't have to do anything, you don't have to obviously have a warehouse, you don't have to have any products, you don't have to have any, physical products or anything like that. You don't actually have to physically have the product to ship to the customer. The manufacturer's gonna do that on top of that, or the manufacturer's gonna do that for you. The customer obviously doesn't necessarily know that the manufacturer is the one that they're purchasing it from. So what happens is you get the sale from the customer, obviously, and then you tell the manufacturer to then ship to the customer. That's dropshipping in a nutshell. All you're doing basically is facilitating the sale from the customer or from the manufacturer to the customer for a markup in price. So let's say that product X is $2 from the manufacturer. The manufacturer obviously benefits because it gets the sale and it doesn't have to do any marketing, it gets a free sale. The customer benefits because you put the product in front of them and they obviously wanted it. And you benefit obviously because you make a markup. So maybe you can get it for $2, you're upselling it to the customer for 10. You just made a profit of $8 for pretty much doing nothing other than finding the right customer and putting the product in front of them. That's dropshipping in a nutshell. Now, Shopify is the most popular way to dropship, but there are other ways to dropship as well. So let's jump into it. What's a great way to dropship? Well, eBay is a phenomenal way to dropship. Now, I just released a new course on this recently, and I just released a new video that basically summarizes that entire course in a nutshell. So I'll give you the brief, kind of just nuts and bolts of it. Basically, all you're doing here is you're using dropshipping, the same dropshipping method. You're finding a manufacturer. In this case, AliExpress, kind of like Shopify. You're also using, I use the example of Target and Walmart as well. It's phenomenal. And then you kind of just slap those things on eBay, kind of check the market, see if there's actually a market share for those types of items and what they're selling for, and you kind of calculate the fact that you can make a profit or not, and then you know which items are good to dropship on eBay or not. Like I said, I'm not going to get too into that method because I did an entire video on it recently. I'll drop that as a card up in the right-hand corner right now, also in the description below. On top of that, you can dropship on Amazon. There's a million ways to dropship on Amazon. A great way to dropship on Amazon would be, there's literally a million of them, would be, just reselling Prime stuff. So a great way to dropship on Amazon would be, you could create your own website with WordPress or Wix or anything like that. Buy stuff from Prime and then ship it to the specific person. So if you have, a Prime account, you can just simply type in the person that purchases from your website. You don't ever have to have the product or anything like that. And you just kind of upsell the Amazon Prime stuff to other customers. It's really, really simple. So someone purchases from your website. What happens is someone purchases from your website right here, and you then purchase from Amazon Prime and put their address in and ship it to them. So it's really, really simple. Amazon dropshipping, also have a course on this. It's one of the first courses I ever created because it's one of the first business models I ever kind of put into practice online. I won't talk too much about it, but it's a phenomenal way. If you have any questions on that, drop them in the comment section down below. I'd love to answer them for you. On top of that, coupon dropshipping, actually one of my favorites and literally one of my most profitable courses because a lot of people are making a lot of money doing this. Coupon dropshipping, to put it simply, is that when people go to launch their private label products, and if you don't know what private label products are or Amazon private labeling, drop it down in the comment section below. I'm sure someone will answer it for you, or I will too. But basically you're profiting off the fact that a lot of people are hopping into private labeling right now, and you're putting up your AliExpress or any other website where you're dropshipping from. You're putting coupons up for Amazon products from a different site on coupon site. So people go there purchasing coupons, and really they don't realize that they're purchasing dropshipping products from you at an upsell. That's a little bit, it's hard to explain kind of in the video just talking to you. That's why in the entire course and in other previous videos too, I go into actually showing that on my computer. If I can find one, I'll drop it as a card up above my head right now too. I'm sure I can. I'll also drop that in the description below if you want to check that out. Also, Facebook Marketplace dropshipping, same overall business model, basically as all the other dropshipping methods. You're just using Facebook Marketplace, which is a different marketplace where there are other potential buyers. Some things sell better on Facebook Marketplace than they do on eBay or Amazon or any other site like that. So it just depends. It's harder to vet products on Facebook Marketplace, but there's actually higher margins there. That's another way to dropship if you want to go that route. So I just wanted to touch on 4 other ways to dropship today. I think they're really, really vital. If you guys are interested in dropshipping, either learning Shopify or my Amazon dropshipping method, I actually offer both of those courses 100% free, 100% free on my website. I'll drop that as a card up above in the right-hand corner, and I'll also link that in the description below if you want to check that out. That will take you to my website's homepage where you obviously can just submit and download those specific courses. I can't talk today, and you'll get Shopify, the entire walkthrough of how to set up a Shopify store and figure out your niche, pick your right products, all sorts of stuff like that. On top of that, you also get the Amazon dropshipping course 100% free. So I hope you guys like this video. A lot of people, when they ask me about dropshipping, they're under the impression that dropshipping just means Shopify. And don't get me wrong, Shopify is the most popular and it's a great method, but there are many, many, many other ways to dropship. Not just these 4, but those are just 4 examples that I wanted to give to you today. So I hope you like this video. Give it a thumbs up if you do and you appreciate the value in the content today. I genuinely appreciate it. Also, drop a comment down below in the comments. Let me know what your favorite dropshipping model is here in 2018, whether it's Shopify or maybe it's something else. If it's one of these, let me know. Or maybe it's something I haven't even talked about, and you can obviously enlighten us about that. And I will see you guys in the next one.